Looking for an easy Christmas ornament you can make in under 10 minutes? You have come to the right place. Hi everyone, it's Nicole here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. As the name indicates, this channel is all about macrame. If you are keen on learning more DIY macrame, then click that subscribe button and then also give this video a big thumbs up. I know we've just passed the midway mark of October, but the holiday season is going to be here before you know it. So if you're an early planner like me and like to make your Christmas and holiday projects early, then this video tutorial is perfect for you. We are going to be going over a mini flower wreath ornament. It's made with one knot, so it's very simple to make. So you could definitely make a ton of these in a very short amount of time. If instead of a hanging ornament, you want the flower ring instead on its own as an add-on onto a larger macrame project, you can do that as well. All you have to do is just tuck the ends at the back of the pattern. I will go through all of that in this tutorial, so make sure you watch all the way through to find out how. If you're keen on elevating your macrame skill set by learning more knots and knot patterns, we do have a free downloadable 50 knots and sentence ebook over on BOCHIKNOT.com, so if you're interested, head on over there to download that. And with all that said, let's get right into it. Listed here are the materials and supplies I've used for the pattern. You will only need a crochet hook if you choose to make the flower ring on its own without the hanging part at the top. You can basically use any sized wooden ring to make this flower wreath. I'm going to use mini wooden rings to demonstrate the pattern in this video. You can see at the top I've used a 2-inch wooden ring for that pattern, and then for the smaller pattern I've used a 1-inch wooden ring. As for macrame cord, I'll be using our 3mm braided macrame cord. I wanted something sturdier with the loops. I wanted something that was sturdier and cleaner looking with the loops of the flower, so I opted for braided cord this time. You can use 3-ply or a sturdy single strand cord as well. I will be demonstrating a smaller flower wreath ornament today, so we will be using the 1-inch ring and a strand of cord at 120 centimeters long. I just wanted to show you my strand of braided cord here. It's super flexible because it is hollow on the inside. It's just the outer part of the cord that is braided, so making it super easy to work with and also soft enough on the hands as well. So to start, we're going to leave several inches at the top of one end, and then we're going to take the longer end at the bottom and we're going to make our first vertical lark's head knot. So we're going to go through the ring, back through the left side up top, and then back underneath through the ring and then through the loop at the top. Now we're going to repeat again to the right for our next vertical lark's head knot. This time, before fully tightening the first part of the lark's head knot, we're going to leave a small little loop, and you can adjust these loops however big or small you want them. Once your loop has been adjusted to your desired size, you can finish off the rest of this second vertical lark's head knot. And now all you have to do is repeat this same pattern all the way back up to the other side. You can also alternate sizing of the loops too. So say you wanted a smaller loop, alternating a bigger loop with smaller loops, you can do that. That's a fun way to change this pattern up. Now repeat this pattern all the way back up to the other side. Once done, this is what the pattern should look like. You should have tiny little loops in between the vertical lark's head knots all around. Now for this one, I made my loops a little bit smaller than say the loops that you see on the larger flower that I have up at the top. and that's okay. You can adjust it however you want to. Now to finish off this ornament, all you have to do is take the long strands of cords at the top and make a large overhand knot. Then cut off the excess cord ends at the top. And we are now complete with the hanging flower wreath ornament. Now, say you don't want to turn this into an ornament and instead you want to add this as a flower ring add-on onto a larger macrame project, you can do that by tucking in the cord ends at the back of the pattern. So as you can see here, I'm going to weave the cord ends through some loops at the back of the pattern with my crochet hook. You can trim off the excess cord ends here once you have tucked the cord ends through the loops at the back. And now you can use this as an add-on onto your larger pieces. You can attach these with another strand of string, or you can glue them onto your pieces. And now we're complete with our flower ring ornaments. And that concludes our flower wreath ornament tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Once you have made several of these, you will become a master at these vertical lark set knots. Although this knot is not as popular as the double half-inch knot or the square knot, it is still a very important basic knot that is used in a lot of intricate macrame projects. So it is definitely helpful knowing this knot. If your goal is to master macrame by creating your own macrame designs, we do go over that in more detail over on the BOCHIKNOT Macrame community on Patreon. Every month we go over a specific topic or theme, and we release video tutorials and lessons going over that specific theme. This month in October was all about incorporating various different textures into your pieces. Stay tuned for a lot more Christmas projects coming very soon. Make sure you turn on bell notifications so that you are up to date with our latest videos. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.